So am I looking at your phone or looking at your face or what?
You can look at me, that's fine.
All right.
Okay.
My name is Michael Clara, and I'm a community organizer with Crossroads Urban Center. Been involved in civic engagement most of my adult life. So I was mayor of Manor, Texas. And then just recently I was on the school board here in Salt Lake City. And those running for public office always started off with trying to address some kind of injustice. You know, a lot of their policy advocacy and the work that they had done, I was familiar with, and so I was happy to be able to get a job here. One of the principles that we use in community organizing is we follow a cycle of research, action, and evaluation. There's these concepts to it. Community organizing is an art. We take an issue that, an example would be just literally, a few houses down from here. The parents on this street were concerned about a crosswalk. So we go through this process of research. Why don't we have a crossing guard here? What are the policies for the crossing guard to have one? When I was at training back in DC for a week on community organizing and hearing other organizers, a lot of the problems that they were having, I was thinking, well, if you met with somebody every week, you wouldn't be that far off. And I mean, so I'm lucky that I was able to kind of correct, each week. And then make mistakes. And so one of the pitfalls is that you start trying to be an activist or an advocate instead of an organizer. And at the end of the day, you can measure, well, I got the problem solved, but you didn't develop any leadership or help people in the community obtain those skills so that they could, be able to solve those problems in the future. And it eventually goes into action when things start changing. It's kind of this momentum that keeps building and excitement that just happens naturally because they're creating a better space for each other. And the interesting thing that happens in the process is they become neighbors, and that regardless of our differences, we have an obligation to help each other, create a space that we can enjoy living in.